Hello everyone, in this video I will going to demonstrate how to process the vendor bills or invoice in ERP. This will be a login screen. Here you will going to enter the email address. Like here I am entering the email address of an employee. In password you will going to enter the password. Now click on login button in order to log in into ERP. After login, navigate to finance. Then click on documents, which is a sub menu of purchase. Now click on vendor bills. All the vendor bills which is in draft state you will able to see here, and you will going to process by clicking on that particular vendor bill. As you can see, on clicking on this vendor bill you will able to see this form. In order to verify this vendor bill, you can click on purchase order. As soon as you will click on this, you will land up to the page of purchase order. As you can see here, in order to see the shipment or the receiving of this particular purchase order, just click on shipment. Here you will able to see the receiving of this particular purchase order. In order to get back to the vendor bill, just click here. It will land up to the page of the vendor bill. Now click on added button. In other info, you will able to see the vendor document checklist, as there is no checklist available because the category of the vendor is not selected by the user. You will maintain the status of the checklist here. Now, in order to apply TDS for this particular bill, just click on mark TDS. Here you will going to select the TDS for this particular vendor bill. Now click on update button. As soon as you will click on update button, TDS will be calculated, as you can see here. Now click on save button. If you want to cancel this invoice, just click on cancel invoice button. If you want to validate it, click on validate button. Now click on register payment button. Here you can see the payment amount will be this, and the difference because of the deduction of the TDS will be reflected here. If you want that this invoice will be in open state, then click on keep open. If you want this invoice to be as marked as fully paid, just click on mark invoice as fully paid. Here you will select in which chart of account you will post this difference. For example, here I am selecting the HDFC one account, that in this account I am I will post this difference. Here you can write the label if you want. Now click on validate button in order to validate this particular process. As soon as you will click on validate button, you can see the payment is in paid state. This is how you will process the vendor bills in ERP.
At a pageant. Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos, and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.